Hello! This Oak Creek Public Library tutorial will show you how to fully utilize the resource LearningExpress Library. LearningExpress Library provides a completely interactive online learning platform that helps high school students and adult learners to improve skills required for academic and career success. There are practice tests and tutorials to develop skills in math, reading, writing, and basic sciences, as well as standardized tests such as GED, SAT, ACT, AP, PSAT, NCLEX-RN, Praxis I and II, and more. We'll start at the Oak Creek Library website. The link is www.oakcreeklibrary.org. Hover your mouse on the heading Resources in the blue bar at the top. Underneath the section Learn and Explore, click on Homework/Test Help. Scroll down and click on the link LearningExpress Library. This will open LearningExpress Library in a separate tab of your web browser. In order to access tests or tutorials, you will need to create an account. Click on Sign In/Register in the blue bar at the top left-hand corner. If you already have an account through LearningExpress Library, simply enter your username and password and click Login. If you do not have an account, click Register. Your institution will already be filled in correctly with BadgerLink, Wisconsin Department of Public Instruction. If it is not, click on the link, My institution is not listed here. Fill out all of the required fields below. Are you a European Union citizen? First name, email, and password. Then click Register. You may also have to agree to the usage policy. Lastly, click Create Account. You will be taken to the My Center area, which is where you can see any ongoing tests, tutorials, eBooks, or articles that have been downloaded, as well as flashcards that have been utilized. Click on Home at the upper left-hand corner to return to the home page of the LearningExpress Library. You can search for specific tests, tutorials, or eBooks in the search box. Simply click in the text box and type in the name of the test you are looking for. Click on the name of the test when it appears. Otherwise, you can select one of the categories underneath for Career Preparation, High School Equivalency Center, College Admissions Test Preparation, and etc. Once you select a category, it will display subcategories that you can select. Click on the subcategory desired. Select the desired learning material. It will take you to a page with more information about that material or materials, and from there you can select Start, Download, or Open, depending on the type of material. For tests, it will take you to a page with information about the test, as well as information on how to take the test. The test details on the right-hand side of the screen shows the number of questions and the length of time it will take approximately. You can also choose what type of test mode you prefer: simulation, practice, or learner. Once you have chosen the desired test mode, click Start Test. Depending on the mode you choose, there may be a timer at the top of the screen to simulate the actual testing experience. Go through each question, clicking on your answer. Once you've reached the bottom of the screen with the last question, then click on the next blue arrow at the top left-hand side. Continue answering the rest of the questions. Once you are done taking the test, click either Finish Later if you have not completed the test but want to finish it at a later date, or Score My Test to see your final score. Once you have completed the test, you can review your answers and it will show you your final score. Lastly, there may be additional recommendations for learning based on the score you received at the bottom of the screen. For tutorials, it will take you to a page that has the course introduction, as well as outlines all of the units and lessons on the left-hand side. You can scroll down and select Take Pretest if available, or click Start Tutorial to begin. You can also select a specific unit or lesson in the tutorial by clicking on it on the left-hand side. In the blue bar on the left-hand side, there are arrows marked Previous and Next. These will take you forward or back through the tutorial. When you are ready to stop, make sure to click Save and Finish Later on the right-hand side in the blue bar to save your progress. You can then go back into it by going to My Center at a later time. For flashcards, the front of the flashcard will display the question. At the bottom, you can mark the card as easy or difficult. Click on the Flip Flashcard icon to see the answer, as well as see what card number you are currently on. Use the arrows on the right-hand side to go through all of the cards. Or use the left-hand arrow to go back to a previous card. At the upper right-hand side, click Flashcard Settings to change settings such as the card order, display options, and difficulty sort. Click Save Progress and Exit at the upper left-hand side to save where you left off and be able to pick it up later. Lastly, for ebooks and articles, when you click Download ebook, it will download as a PDF onto your device. Choose Open With and click OK to open the ebook immediately. Otherwise, if you click on Save File, it will typically be saved to your Downloads folder. To return to any tests, tutorials, flashcards, etc. that you have used, hover on your name in the blue bar and click My Center. This will show you everything that you have utilized previously from LearningExpress Library. Simply click on the name in blue to reopen it. If you need to change your username, email, or password, click on User Settings underneath My Center. Then click the blue Edit button at the bottom of the screen. If you have any further questions about LearningExpress Library, feel free to contact the Oak Creek Public Library via email. Our email address is library@oakcreekwi.org. There are also helpful tools available from EBSCO. You can access them under Help at the upper right-hand corner in the blue bar. Thank you for watching this tutorial video featuring LearningExpress Library created by the Oak Creek Public Library staff.